weekend vlog, but I'm literally running late. I'm going to my first ever hot Pilates class, just mat, but let's see how this goes. I'm literally running late. I got my ass absolutely kicked. Okay, so that was one of the hardest, if not the hardest, workout class I've ever gone to in my life. But if there's one thing that I took from it, is it's super motivating. Like, yes, I felt like I was gonna at one point, but I want to go back and do another class. And it all just depends on your instructor. Our instructor was not just a Pilates instructor, he was also a DJ. We were in a whole ass nightclub, neon lights everywhere, loud music, speaker. It was amazing. So that was 10 out of 10. I am a tomato and I feel nauseous. I need to eat before I go to one of those classes. I don't think I prepared myself as much as I should have. Bring tons of water if you ever go. 10 out of 10 experience. I just got to PetSmart. I'm gonna go in here and see if our dog food is actually cheaper than where we get it from normally. I highly doubt that's the case, but it's closer to our apartment. So I'm gonna go in here and get the dogs some food. So let's go do that. My legs are absolutely shot. Okay, well, they actually don't carry the brand here, so going somewhere else. I should have just stuck with our regular place to get the food. It's so freaking cold. However, we got text from friends and family this morning that it is snowing so much in Georgia, which is crazy. They literally are getting so much snow. And I'm sitting here saying it's freezing in Wilmington, but I would love to be around snow. Make it make sense. Let's go to Pet Supplies Plus. Okay, let's try this again. Except I know for a fact that they're gonna have our dog's food. Literally, there's one left. That's meant to be. I'll be doing this after a workout. Mommy thing. That shit is so heavy. Now it's time to go home, shower, and I need to eat some food. Got home and immediately started cooking breakfast with this one. We have bacon, eggs, more bacon, avocado, and I'm hard boiling some eggs right now. This is day 5 of the carnivore diet. I'm not gonna lie, this shit is hard. I'm craving all sorts of food. I was just telling my husband that I want pizza, I'm craving a burger, craving tacos, burritos, all of the above, but we're going strong. I didn't get to show you guys my outfit before I went into class because I was running very late, as you know. I just got this really cute set from Gabe's. And when I posted about this on TikTok, not a lot of people knew what Gabe's was. It's basically like a massive Ross, if you will. Ours is like the size of a Walmart. They have everything that you can think of. Name brand stuff, it's just all for a very affordable price. But I love working out in this. Super cute. And it was only $20. That is a well-balanced breakfast if I ever did see one. To be honest, I don't normally eat boiled eggs, and I'm trying to replicate deviled eggs with the mustard. Okay, we'll see how this goes. The main thing about this diet for me is that, one, I never want to give diet advice, so please do your own research on this. I don't want to give my 2 cents because I'm really not that educated on it. I'm just following this carnivore diet from the knowledge that I've learned and researched myself, so I never want to come off as if I'm giving dieting advice. That is not what I'm trying to do. I've just gained some unhealthy weight that I'm trying to regulate, so that's the reason why I'm doing this. But the hardest part of this diet for me is texture. A lot of it is just ooey gooey, and I need crunch. Aside from my bacon, that is crunchy. But that's like the hardest thing for me during this diet. Like the thought of these boiled eggs right now, it's just grossing me out for some reason. So is the avocado, but it's okay. It's okay. It's finally time to shower. If you're also doing this carnivore thing, do you guys get like a gag reflex to foods like all of a sudden? The thought of just like eating that avocado and those eggs and stuff, it's grossing me out, but we made it through. We made it through. Just curious if anyone else is dealing with that. Need to get cleaned. A towel warmer is the best invention ever. I have this linked in my storefront if that helps you guys out. I feel like a brand new woman. Road glazing milk. I love this stuff, especially in the summer. And under makeup, chef's kiss. And then lately, OC sent me a PR package and I've been using their hyaluronic body serum. I love this stuff. It feels so good on my face. I use a little bit of this after my glazing melt. And I actually just ran out of my moisturizer from Rhode. It's the Barrier Restore Cream. Love this stuff. I just wish that it was in a bigger bottle for how much this costs. I need to re-up on that. Excuse my Frank sent me a PR package and I've been using their Intense Moisturizing Cream until I get some more Rhode. Personally, I love this stuff and it's super gentle on the skin. So this has been really nice. And that is my simple skincare routine. Less steps, the better for my skin personally. I also got a thermal brush for Christmas. We're gonna wait for this to more air dried and then test that out for the first time together. I'm super excited to see how it works out. Also because I literally wear my hair slicked back majority of the time. If you know me, you know that is so true. And it's a goal of mine this year to wear my hair down more often. So hopefully this thermal brush does its job right. We shall see. All right, while I'm waiting on my hair to air dry so we can test out this thermal brush, I'm gonna get some work done on my laptop. And I'm also planning my best friend's 30th birthday, which is super exciting. It's in the next like 3 weeks. So I'm gonna get some stuff ordered for that I'm not gonna show just in case she watches it, but I will be updating you guys closer to her birthday weekend of everything that I got and the theme and all of that good stuff. If you know me, you know I love a good party theme. I love planning, I love hosting, I love doing all that of the matter. So I'm gonna get some of this done. We'll see you guys when my hair dried. Update, my computer died and I took a nap with my sweet little baby on the couch. And we just woke up. Elliot's in the kitchen cooking chicken. There is sleet outside. It's very, very cold. But I think this is just what the rest of our night's gonna look like, huh? Because it's Friday and we are cozy and warm inside. Isn't that right? I don't know what I'm gonna have for dinner yet, to be honest. I don't know if I want chicken. I'm tired of eating meat. I'm tired of it. Please, I just want a potato. I want a potato and some sweet stuff. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little update. Happy Saturday vlog. Last night we did in fact just chill and had a very cozy Friday night. We're watching season 2 of Squid Games, so that's been really interesting. And went to bed pretty early for a Friday night, which is how we like it lately. So I just got done getting ready for the day. Currently 11:30. We had a late start to the morning just because we wanted to sleep in a little bit. Our new routine, we've been getting up at 6 a.m. every single day, so it was nice to stay in until like 9 a.m. We took the dogs on a good walk. It's still freezing outside, and now I'm gonna test out this thermal brush. We're gonna see how we like it. Elliot's in the kitchen cooking us some brunch. I've literally never used one of these before. I got this one off of Amazon. It's the Be Kind brand. So cute. All right, so it said for thinner hair to leave it on 360, so that's what I'm gonna do here. Okay, things are moving very quickly. I'm gonna use a little bit of texturizing spray. One of my favorites is the Kristen S working texturizing spray. It is a bit heavy if you put too much, so just be light-handed with it. Tell me why I washed my hair yesterday and I already need to put dry shampoo in it. I despise having thin hair. The only one I have is by Verb. It's this one. It's just the dry powder. I have to put a very small amount because it does leave a white residue in my hair and I don't like that. That'll do. I'm gonna do some texturizing spray. About that much. Alrighty, let's see what this thing does for us. That heated up really quickly and I'm just gonna kind of wing it here. Okay, okay, I think I like that. Okay, slay. That made that look really pretty. Okay, so far so good. It's just really laying my hair down nicely. I almost feel like it needs to be hotter, so I'm gonna put it up a little bit. I literally never put heat on my hair. I always wash it, let it air dry. Very straight, fine, thin hair. I'm loving how the Bobby is looking. You wanna see my hair with my new thermal brush? We're gonna go get his reaction. Little Bobby moment. The Bobby? I think he likes it. It's like violet Beauregard, except I'm not blonde. So cute. Let's go eat some brunch. Come get me some of this. That looks amazing. Cheers. Wow, it's really amazing. Look at how stunning. I switched over to my camera, but we are gonna get deep cleaning on this apartment now, so let's get into it. In the city, to clear my head for a moment. I literally did not make our bed this morning specifically because I knew I was going to be doing this and I need to wash our bedding. So that's the next task. I have music blasting in the background, so I'm not gonna talk too long because of copyright reasons, but now that I have my laundry going, I'm gonna clean up more of my bedroom. I need to vacuum, I need to wipe off our nightstands, the whole ordeal, so let's go do that. Good morning. It is currently Sunday now. So last night after I got done cleaning, which I cut it kind of short because our best friends here in Wilmington asked us to meet them for dinner. So that's what we did. We went to Golden Corral. We have not been to Golden Corral, let me tell you, in years, but it was nostalgic to say the least. They had a gift card and we were like, why not? So we went to Golden Corral. I am not gonna lie, I had a bit of a cheat night. I did, but it was really nice, I'm not gonna lie. But today we have plans to take the dogs to a local park. I decided to put on a cute little set. This one is from Stay Cool. I love it. Blue Boo decided to come say good morning. And good morning. Just my sweet little baby. But Elliot just left to go to the grocery store. He's gonna pick up some more flour. I need to rate. I cannot speak correctly this morning. I need to wait for my stretch and fold process to be completed before we leave. We're gonna leave in like the next hour and a half. It's currently 11 o'clock in the morning and I need to start editing this vlog to get it uploaded. So I'm gonna be here for the next couple of hours and then we can leave and go to the park. The boys are gonna be so excited. All right, we are en route to the park. We're driving my car, so we have the boys loaded in the back, but they're about to have so much fun. He's so excited. All right, we made it onto the trail. This is actually a new park that we recently started to come to, play disc golf, and discovered that they have these trails. So we brought the boys out here. They're kind of acting like crackheads, but that's okay. We're on the mend. That is the cutest shit ever. He loves sand. What are you doing? Go, baby, go. Good boy. Are them some happy puppers? Oh, they're so tired.